Hi, I'm Brandy McElhaney, show manager for IRE, the roofing industry's flagship event for over 65 incredible years. If you're passionate about connecting with visionary leaders, discovering transformative innovations, and elevating your business to new heights, welcome home. Let's unpack the roofing industry's biggest trends. Trend 1. Workforce development is at the heartbeat of our industry's future, and IRE is leading the charge with innovative education to address this critical need. Trend 2. The labor landscape is evolving, and efficiency is the key to thriving. The future of the industry is focused on software solutions including AI automation, drone technology, smart roofing systems, robotics, and smart building integrations. Trend 3. Climate resilience isn't optional, it's essential. Hurricane and tornado resistant systems, fire resistant materials, impact resistant shingles, and climate adaptive roofing are shaping the future of the industry. Trend 4. Sustainability is reshaping our world, and the demand for cool roofing technology, renewable energy, solar integration, solar shingles, and green roof systems are increasing every year. Trend 5. Metal roofing is experiencing unprecedented growth thanks to its remarkable durability and sustainability. If you want to learn how you and your business can join in on these trends, contact us or click the link below, and our team will be happy to set you up for success at our next IRE event. Come home to your roofing family and let's build the industry together.